Alright guys, today I thought I'd talk about my electric pressure washer. So I have this Karcher electric washer. It's 1700 psi, 1.2 gallons per minute. I want to say it was $129 on Amazon. I can't remember the exact price, but it was pretty reasonable. And it's been great. I've used it on concrete. It works on concrete. It's powerful enough. You have to be patient with it. And I use it to detail my cars. Now with a good foam cannon, like I'm using this Adams foam cannon here, if you upgrade the orifice to the 1.1 millimeter orifice, you can make really good foam. Now this foam that I'm going to use today has been sitting in here for a couple weeks, so I don't know how well it's going to foam up. But all we're going to do is this trash can over here, if you can see that. Plus this thing is filthy, so the truck that comes around the service, they're really good. They always pick everything up on time. But the can gets filthy from their truck, and with spring and summer coming, you can get bugs and it can just get really nasty. So we're gonna foam this thing up. Also with the pressure washer here, if you're going to be doing cars, using it for cars, upgrade to the pistol grip. It comes with this rifle style grip, which is great for your house, for your siding, for concrete, stuff like that. But for a car, you're going to want something like this. You're going to want the pistol grip. This is just one off Amazon and nothing fancy. Also get the quick connects, upgrade to the quick connects, and then you're going to want an upgraded hose. This is a 50-foot hose, which is plenty. You can get around a big SUV with the hose this size. And yeah, that's about it. I mean, for the money, this thing's great. And I like the way it's low pressure because you're less likely to damage your car this way. So we are gonna get going here. First thing I'm gonna do is, since that can is disgusting, I'm gonna spray it down with 409 and then we're gonna foam it up with the foam cannon. All right, this thing is filthy. I don't know if it shows up on camera, but there's a lot of gunk and grime on here. And it just doesn't look good going into the summer, and I'm thinking it's going to be covered with bugs if I don't do something about it. Plus I can show you guys how I use this pressure washer. So yeah, that's it. So what we're going to do, we're set up here. We're going to use the 409, spray this down, and then we're going to foam it up and go from there. And we got pretty good range. So you can see there's the house, and we got 50 foot of hose here, no problem. Electric cord, the extension cord there is pretty good too. So we're all good. All right, we're gonna do this. I don't know what's up with my focus here, sorry about that. Seems to be on auto. All right, so we're gonna spray this thing down. It's pretty fucking gross. It's a little windy today, so not ideal. As you can see, it's now we're going to spray it off, and bear with me here guys, because this is the first time I've ever filmed and pressure washed at the same time. So I want to do some car detailing videos coming up, so this is good practice for me. This thing is filthy. Not bad considering this foam is like a month old. It's just been sitting in the canister. It's good enough. I mean, it's a damn trash can. Who really cares, right? Let's sit for a bit, then we'll spray it off. Alright, let's spray this thing off. I mean, pretty good considering it looks new again. It's probably only a year old. And again, it's just a damn trash can. But nobody wants to deal with bugs, right? And it's a great thing to do first with your pressure washer, because you can't fuck up a trash can. And who cares? You know, I mean, who cares if you did somehow? So yeah, I definitely recommend, first thing you should do with the pressure washer is do this, if you never used one before. So let's see here, focus is acting strange again, but hey, that's okay. So, I mean, there's still some stains and spots, but again, it's just a damn trash can. But easy clean, beats wiping it down with paper towels or something stupid like that, right? And hopefully that'll keep the bugs away for a little while. And it's just a trash can. Doesn't have to be perfect. Not gonna wax it or do anything nuts like that. But we are gonna be doing some car detailing videos, so I need some practice with the camera while I'm doing something on camera, like using the pressure washer here. So next time we do a video like this, we're going to be detailing the cars. So like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. I'll see you guys next time.